Hi, I'm Mona. This is a Dolls Rescue channel, and I love garage sales. I have always loved garage sales. And finally, we have found something. In the last couple years, not really found much. Actually, Darren and I would get up, go to garage sales, and I'd come home with nothing. But that's okay. Yes, our Friday, we actually found some stuff. I got this shirt. It's not perfect, but I need some shirts. One garage sale had these fake fur. That's Berber. And I've got some projects coming up I will use those for. And then they had, I love this stuff. You know, it was 50 cents and 25 cents and $1 here and $1 there. That's a nice bag. That'll line my trash real nice. I like this lace because you can take it and make a, oh, it's stapled. Oh, I'm gonna be careful for staples. I've got that pup and our cats, and I don't want them to get these by accident because I didn't see them, but they saw a shiny thing on the ground. So I'm very careful with staples. Anyway, I started to say, you can take this lace and cut off a piece, put that around, like this would be good for a midi Blythe or a skipper doll. And you cut this a little, put it around their waist, cut a little extra, take the ends and sew that under on either side. And you can add a snap or a piece of Velcro, and you've got a cute little skirt with very little work. I also found rickrack. And they had a lot of this lace. I've got a collab coming up I'm going to use probably this one for. And they just had some different ones. And they had bias tape. I think this was like 50 cents for all of this. And this one was $0.25, which I thought was weird. And then, but I was glad. And a little bit more. And this lace looked pretty small. Not as small as I was hoping, but really cute for adding to doll dresses and skirts and tops and such. Happy to find it. And then while I was checking out, they had jewelry on the counter. And I found a pair of hoop earrings. I'm going to have Darren, actually we're going to do a video, and my 24-inch Amaya Rain is going to get her ears pierced so she can wear this type of earring. And I paid $1 for these, which is a lot of money, but have you seen the prices in the stores? Oh, so I'm going to get those cleaned up. They've got a lot of sparkle left to them. And once I get the toothpaste and my soft bristle toothbrush after those, they'll clean up great. Went to another garage sale. There weren't a whole lot, but we went to another and had all these conchabons. And what do I do with these? Actually, I don't do much with them anymore, but, oh, this is good. I carry one of these in my pocket because I'm getting older, and when I go to the store, I can see the prices. See how that makes it bigger? So if you have one of these in your pocket, you don't have to carry your reading glasses and get them in and out. Just easier. I've got this bag for 50 cents, and on one side it is mermaid, well, not just mermaid sequins, but mermaid colors. I love that. I've got a little plan for it, but on the back it's actually not a high grade, excuse me, not a high grade velvet, but velvet. And then on the inside, it is a waterproof fabric, and I can cut all this up and reuse it. I can make, there might be enough for a Neo-sized Blythe raincoat, but I was actually thinking the midi size. They had some doll items, and look what I found. A 17-inch Barbie, and if you watch my channel, you know I absolutely love these 17-inch Barbies. Her hair is not bad, and she did not have clothes or shoes on, but laying on the table, this is her original dress, in excellent shape, and both shoes, $1. I was thrilled. And then they had some other things. I love huskies and wolves, and I got that for my American Girl dolls. And they had, let me just lay this out. They had 5 items for $1. So I got these little dolls, mostly for their shoes, which will, oh, I'm not so sure these come off. Huh? That might not. It doesn't look painted on. It looks like it's glued on or fused on. But the little outfits will fit if nothing else. Well, that's disappointing though, because I got those for the shoes for my middies. Well, that's a shame. But at any rate, I got clothing. And they had, Darren actually found these for me. I was off looking at some. These were all 5 for, what did I say, a quarter? 5 for a quarter, wasn't it?
I don't remember.
And I don't know who these are going to fit, but when I find a pair of doll shoes, I grab them because you know you're going to need them. Oh, and a little bottle for my little 6-inch doll. So I had a lot of fun, but this was the prize. I'm going to get her cleaned up, this hair straightened out, and add her to my collection. I think I have, this will be my 3rd or 4th of the blonde, and I have 1 brunette. Oh, I'd love to find another brunette at a garage sale. Actually, I have brunettes in boxes. So I have like 3 or 4 of those. But 17-inch Barbies, fun to sew for. Lots and lots and lots of articulation. Their hands go round, their arms go up and down and over and out. They move at the chest. Their legs can ride a horse. Not a wide horse, but if you put them on something narrow and put their legs forward, they could. Their ankles do not have articulation, but their knees and hips do, and of course, their head. And I love these dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.